for the truth so asem asi yede ani chire mu ewo Russia man mu earthquake asi magnitude 8, one of the biggest earthquake ebinsi wiase da na asi ewo Russia man mu kroma omukura yefre ho Kamchatka na ewo along the coast of Russia bichire omota tena ensu na no pa no ana epo na no coast na no omo na afisi sa magnitude 8.7 earthquake asi ewo Russia man na empanfo de ba betu bia say in fact enipa bebre eprepra but omo wu de wanka ho asente edan ewo so ye ema edan bebre ebubuye along the coast na de yasan edi aba betu bia ne say omo a omo wo Japan omo hwe omo ye na fisu US sanse US earthquake and say tsunami eba beto bichire ensuo etime bobo ye tisekete na atwiafa omanmu nyina so ebi eba bisi US enti empanifo e de warning e de akakoma se mo a muti ensuo na no anase mo a mo ben coast ewo US no obi antumfiro enti me no kasa sisi nipa o mo tu afiri US ebe ba bia ya mo warning no over more than nipa 1 million there omotu ade omoja pade ne omufi nyina epe omuti atidim the same thing ema yama Japan so yama omo warning say tsunami eba beto ewo ho ndi omo so make say enipa be 2 million atu aja omo dan ho eko sanse tsunami no ehu yi pa eba efa kromu no nyina ba bia mo area ho no ekata mo nyina mo so nti wo ho definitely ubewu Russia the earthquake NC yatiku yato di Ghana community eku anisuade mu ewo mpapapa ehu behia se Ghana ni ba bia de ne ho be wura mu bi Ghana community uwura mu ye nyina ye be kwa adwen ba akom na se obi kire na ya kan bom na ya chichi nkaka na ya dia support nipa no also de ba the same thing mpanifo a omo beda ko nanim se de be ya asem bitu ye nua bi oku no mu a ekuo ma no ye be kwakobo nipa no meka ho bi braba dwan Ghana community na enye fefefe e register sisi ye a me no kasa free registration ube wura mu a free ya nji wansi dimpo na mum ye dozo wi a e betu iska enti sisi ye akwanya e wo de ma mu bedwene Ghana community na yemfanka ho chat me wode babidi mu ka chense the truth I want to join Ghana community na yemfa anka na I say with the number beto ase ya obetimi a chat a support a number na de waka nyame ko bibia yenti emu asem kakra ewa.
Tragic news coming in of an earthquake, which is the strongest in recent times. We're talking about 8.8 on the Richter scale that has led to a tsunami with a height of 3 to 4 meters that has been recorded in parts of Kamchatka in Russia. The earthquake that originated in Russia, the tremors are being felt all the way to Japan. The first waves of 30 centimeter hit a city in Hokkaido, which is in the northern part of Japan, and authorities are warning that subsequent waves could be even bigger. The US authorities have issued tsunami warnings for Alaska as well as Hawaii. In fact, they're talking about all island nations, and these are about all the island countries in Hawaii. The tsunami watch is also in effect for the US island territory of Guam and other islands of Micronesia. One of the world's strongest earthquakes struck Russia's far east early this morning, and that has set off that tsunami in the northern Pacific region and prompted warnings for all these areas. That includes Alaska, Hawaii, and south towards New Zealand as well. Tsunami warning sirens blaring parts in Japan, in Russia, and Honolulu as well, and people move to higher ground. In fact, the authorities have these are visuals that you can see of the ground shaking, the walls shaking, and of course also those plants shaking. People, literally rush to the streets, taking very little with them. In fact, with not even a shirt on their back, literally. The mobile services have also been disrupted. Sirens have been heard blaring in parts of Honolulu, in Japan and Russia as well.
報が発表されました。
This is the strongest earthquake that has been reported since 2011. So, in the last 14 years, the strongest earthquake that has rocked Russia. 8.8 on the Richter scale is the magnitude of that earthquake that has triggered tsunami warnings in various parts of the world. The biggest quake that has shook not just Russia but all the way to Japan, and that is where, in fact, that tsunami with a height of 3 to 4 meters has been recorded in parts. Let's just show you visuals of what it was at about 8 o'clock this morning Indian Standard Time, and what it is an hour from then at about now, in an hour's time, the kind of damage and the kind of evacuation orders that we're seeing. Of course, sirens have been blaring in Japan, in Russia, in Honolulu as well. The first wave of 30 centimeters hit a city of Hokkaido in the northern part of Japan, and authorities are now warning that subsequent waves could be even bigger. We're talking about a tsunami that has been reported in Russia as well, in parts of Kamchatka. This is Kamchatka, the area in which 3 to 4 meters height of the tsunami that has been recorded. So the kind of warnings that are being put out is that people are being moved to higher ground, and we have drone visuals of people reaching the highest floor, the rooftops of the buildings, in order to be safe. From what we're hearing is tsunami waves in Hawaii are predicted to be 3 to 10 feet. We are also talking about other adjoining areas, whether it's Santa Barbara or Washington or British Columbia in Canada is also where they are predicting a wave height as well. To know the areas where the impact can be felt, particularly in the areas where the impact has already been felt. Arjun joining us to get us the latest. Arjun, take us through the worst affected areas, other areas that come in,